Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of everyday essentials. Today, we're diving into a compact marvel that's been making waves in smaller kitchens: the Hamilton Beach 2-Slice Extra Wide Slot Toaster. I've been putting it to the test for the past week, and here's everything you need to know. Starting with the design, this toaster is compact. Adjust, it sits snugly on countertops without hogging space. The black and stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, modern look. What impressed me most were the large slots. They easily accommodated thick slices of bread, bagels, and even frozen waffles, no more struggling to fit oversized slices. Now, let's talk performance. It offers 7 shade settings, giving you flexibility depending on your toasting preferences. During my testing, I found that at lower settings, there were some inconsistencies, slightly uneven toasting. However, at higher settings, it performed much better, delivering more consistent results. The bagel and defrost functions worked as advertised, which is a big plus for those busy mornings. Ease of use is where this toaster shines. Simple button controls bagel, defrost, and cancel are intuitive and easy to understand. The lever pops up high enough, so no more burnt fingers trying to grab your toast. Cleaning is straightforward too. While the crumb tray doesn't detach, simply tilt and tap to clear out any crumbs. It's hassle-free maintenance. Wrapping it up, the Hamilton Beach 2-Slice Extra Wide Slot Toaster is ideal for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, space-saving option. It's not without its quirks like minor inconsistencies at lower settings, but for under price, it's hard to beat. If you're a student or have a smaller kitchen, this toaster is a solid choice. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a toaster upgrade. Stay tuned for more reviews on Product Critique. Until next time.